beauties, good morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. It's Winnie here again in another video. Do you love the stuff that I'm wearing? Let me quickly do a 360 for you guys. If you love the stuff that I'm wearing, then this is the tutorial for you, because in this tutorial we are going to be learning how to make this beautiful free top that I'm wearing with the funnel sleeve. It is very easy to make and it is beginners friendly. Trust me, now I will always help you to simplify it for you to know it, for you to get it properly. All right, if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, why don't you want to join the family of beautiful people? Because every one of us on here, we are beautiful, man. Click the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the tutorials or any video that I'm going to be posting in the future. You can also check out all my other videos that I've done, so you keep yourself up to speed with everything that we've done on here before you joined the channel. So without so much talking, let's just get straight to the tutorial. Let's go.
I love you. Hey beauty, welcome to my channel. So you're going to be needing your fabric, your scissors, your chalk, and your measurement. In my case, I am using a silk fabric. You can use any fabric of your choice. So the first thing I'm going to do is to fold my fabric into 4, because I'm going to be cutting the front and back together. And make sure that you are folding on a wide side where your hip divided by 4 can be measured. Your hip divided by 4 plus 2 inches, which I have done. And then I am going to measure out the length of my blouse plus 1 inch seam allowance, and I'm going to cut that out. Once that is done, the next thing I'm going to do is to mark out my shoulder measurement divided by 2 plus half inch. For me it's 8.5, and then I'm going to mark out my armhole depth, and then I'll mark the midpoint of my armhole and just connect the armhole. I'm doing a free hand, so I just cut it, but before I finish cutting it, I'll measure out my neck width of 3 inches and then 1 inch on my armhole depth, so that I can connect that to make my shoulder slope. So I'm going to do that now and cut it out. So after cutting my shoulder slope, remember that I have measured out a neck width of 3 inches. So I'm going to measure out a neck depth of 1 inch, which is going to be my back neck line. So I've measured out a neck depth of 1 inch. This material is very soft, so it's really difficult to work with. So I'm trying to pin it down so that I can easily work with it. So after measuring a neck depth of 1 inch and neck width of 3 inches, I'm going to cut my neckline out, and that will be mainly for the back neckline. And then on the sides, I'm just going to open up the sides to make it, to separate the front and back, because you don't need to shape this blouse. I was about doing that. You don't need to shape it, it's just a boxy top, so you are just going to join it at the sides with 1 inch or half inch seam allowance. So once that is done, I'm going to take my front, and then I'm going to cut out my front neckline of 3 inches depth. Remember, the neck width is 3 inches, and now the neck depth for the front is also 3 inches, and then I am going to cut that out. So that's basically how to cut the top. The next thing you're going to be doing is to take the front and back, place it on top of each other, join the shoulder with half inch, and then join the sides with half inch or 1 inch seam allowance, depending on your preference, but for me I used half inch. Now moving on to the sleeve, I measured out the length of 20 inches and the width I used my bicep measurement plus 2 inches at the upper part, and on the down part I measured what I had at that upper part, and then I added 4 inches to it for the down part. And then I'm going to shape the armhole. First I connected that to the, I'm just trying to cut out the, you know, the fabric so that everything can align properly. So that 8 inches that I measured at the top, I'm just going to add 4 inches to it, and then I measured out my armhole depth, and then I'm connecting the 2 points together with my pattern master to give it that slant funnel shape. And then I'm going to cut it out. So if you've gotten to this point and you're not yet subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, give my video a like, share with your family and friends, and join this family of beautiful people. I'm just placing a notch at the middle, and then I am going to take off the pins and go and join the sides with 1 inch seam allowance. I'm just going to join the sides with 1 inch seam allowance, and I'm going to hem the down part. So now I've joined my top, and there was a little thing I did at the back. I just went down by 3 inches, and then I cut it open so that my neck can go in, my head can pass through properly. I sewed the side, and then I hemmed the down part. Now I've sewn the sleeve, so I'm going to attach the sleeve to the dress. Once I'm done attaching the sleeve to the dress, I am going to use a bias tape to hem the neckline, and then I'll show you the finished look. Wow, I gave this dress a very nice press, and this was what I came out with. It was really beautiful, and I loved the top. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was insightful. Till I see you in my next video, I want you to know that I love you and I care. Bye. Papa.